welcome back to my channel and happy Valentine's Day. If you're watching this nearer to Valentine's Day, this will be going up quite a bit before Valentine's Day, but I don't know when you're going to be watching this, so happy Valentine's Day. I am going to do a video today on my first Valentine's nails. This is the nails, all finished, all did. And this is what they look like. I also have a Valentine's makeup look on this makeup look. This is supposed to match the nails. It actually kind of does. I need to get some good pictures of this because I'm feeling it. Feeling it. If you're interested in the makeup look, you need to head over to SJTV Live, which is my second channel. It's going to be a live channel and a vlogging channel. And that's where I'm going to do a lot of live makeup tutorials, get ready with me, chit chat things where we can chat together. So please do subscribe to that channel and hit the bell button. That way you will be notified exactly when I go live and we'll be able to chat together. I will try and leave a link in the video and I'll leave a link down below to that channel. I always have a link to that channel in all of my description boxes, so please do go over and subscribe. Now, today's video is going to be on these nails. Now, I will just let you know, I'd already done the acrylic part, so all I'm going to show you is the nail art part. Now, I have a video up on this thumbnail, which is an entire, from start to finish, the acrylic application and everything. This was my first sculpted nail and my first smile line nail that I did, so please do go over and check that out as well. But if you want to know now how I got this sparkly look, then just keep on watching. So yeah, like I've already said, I did already have these two nails done. I had the thumb on my left hand and my ring finger on my right hand. And the rest of my nails, I've just got tips and obviously some acrylic over the top to make them acrylic nails, if that makes sense. Now at this stage, I'm sure you can see my nails are a little bit messy. I didn't bother to infill them because I just wanted to do this nail art tutorial for you all. So I'm taking this pink nail varnish and I'm putting this nail varnish on all of the nails. So it's kind of like going to be a base for the whole of the nails. What I decided to do, because I didn't want to wait for ages for the nails to dry, all I've done is I've popped them in a UV LED lamp and this just kind of speeds up the drying process. Obviously this is just nail varnish, so it doesn't actually cure under the lamp like a gel polish would, but it just helps it to dry a little bit quicker. Then I'm going to put another coat over the top, as you can already see. And I'm going to do the same, just try and get it to dry a little bit quicker by curing it. You don't have to do that. Now I'm taking this sparkly pink nail varnish and I'm putting this over the middle finger here. It's so pretty. I'm also taking this on my little finger and I'm just doing it at the bottom of the finger. Is that called the bottom? You know what I mean, near the cuticle area, because I'm going to try and make this more of a glitter ombre, so like a glitter onto just the pink. And then taking this sparkly glitter. Now this is the same glitter that I used when I did my acrylic for the smile line. And I'm just sparkling this glitter all over the bottom of the finger. We've got a nice sparkly nail bed and then it's just going to fade up into pink. I couldn't quite decide which brush worked better for this, so I kind of used both of these brushes and I think the fan brush ended up being the best choice, if you are wondering. And then I've taken this more lighter pink and I'm just sprinkling that over as well. Just adding a little bit more nail varnish so that it sticks a bit better. And then going back in with both of the glitters this time, just to make it nice and sparkly. Obviously you can choose how sparkly you want it, how much glitter you want, how high up you want the glitter to go. It's entirely up to you. This is just the way that I decided to do it and what I was happy with in the end. Then I'm going to go back over the middle finger with that sparkly nail varnish again. I just want to build it up a little bit. I then decided I wasn't 100% happy with the pink on its own, so I took this shimmery pale pink and I put this over the ring finger. This is just going to be a plain pink finger. Now, this finger here is just going to be really super glittery. So I'm using the glitter nail varnish as like a base coat and just for the glitter to stick to. And I'm then going to go in with those two glitters that we used before. I decided to use a fan brush here because I just felt like it was working better. And I'm just sprinkling the glitter all over that nail. This is a full-on glitter nail, guys. Once I was happy with that, I then took the pinker glitter and I sprinkled that over the top. This kind of just adds a bit of dimension to it and makes it almost like a bit holographic-y and like super sparkly. Then I left it for a few minutes to try and dry a little bit, and I went over then with the glitter nail varnish just to give it a bit of a seal. Just to kind of protect that glitter. Obviously, if you were using a gel polish, that would work a lot better to protect the glitter, but I didn't want to put gel polish on at this point. I just wanted to use regular nail varnish. I'm then doing the same with the little finger and going over the glittery part with the glitter varnish and going over the rest of it with this MARC Gel Shine Top Coat. I've also gone over the thumbnail with the Gel Shine Top Coat and the other finger with the Gel Shine Top Coat. As you can see here, I did both hands differently. I used one of the same nail on each hand, but all different fingers, if that makes sense. And this is how it ended up looking. Obviously, I still have glitter around my fingers. I didn't want to wipe it off until I knew they would completely dry. So that's why. And I have used the Avon Freeze Dry nail varnish spray, which you can see here. That's just why my fingers look all shiny and oily, because I've used that on top. And yeah, once I've wiped all the glitter off and I've completely finished, this is what it ended up looking like. So I'm so happy with these nails. I think they're super, super cute and pretty. You guys know I love my pink. Well, I would hope that you would know that I love my pink. Like, literally everything is pink. Life is pink. Pink is life. So yeah. That is that for this video. I hope I explained things well enough for you guys. I hope you kind of know how I did this now. It's really, really simple, nothing too difficult. Obviously, these two fingers were a little bit more difficult, and I do have, like I said, the video on that. So if you want the full set, you just need to head over to that video. I will leave it linked so you can go over and check that out and see how I did this finger as well. But as for the rest of it, once you've got your acrylic on, and you can do this on natural nails as well. If you just got your natural nails, you can still do this design on those nails as well. If anyone recreates this, I would absolutely love it for you to tag me. Please recreate these nails, put it on Instagram and tag me in it. That would be so awesome. Nobody's ever done that before with any of my videos, so literally that would be so cool. Also, the same with the makeup look, if you could do that as well, awesome. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all your support. So far people seem to be liking the nail videos, so we'll see how these Valentine's Day nail videos go, and definitely going to be more to come, guys. Thank you for watching. I love you so much. Mwah.